Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to log into Kmart. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into that. At the very top, you can see a search bar. In that, let's type in Kmart work login and hit enter. And make sure you tap into the official page. So yeah, let's tap into that. And you can see at the very top, you can see 3 line bars. Yeah, and that's it, home and job search. And right in that line, you can see candidate login or employee login. Again, if you're a candidate, you can tap in that candidate login option, and if you're an employee, you can tap in that employee login option. Let's tap employee login for now, and it will take you to this page. There are 2 empty fields. In the first, you have to tap in your email, and at the second, you have to tap in your password. And if you want this site to remember your information, you can tap in this little square box. And yeah, for now, let's leave it like that. And if you have forgotten password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that says forgot password at the very bottom. Since we have already filled out our empty fields and we have tapped in all our credentials, all we gotta do now is tap into that blue button that is log in. It's the same thing, I guess. So let's tap into that and you'll be logged into your Kmart account. So that's it. Yeah, if you have any queries, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.